Nathan in a really deep sleep when he's forced to be cheering for the twins. And his pillow. His daddy.